Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters, welcome to Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd. Let me give you an update on phase 3 of the current work that's in progress. Alhamdulillah, through your kind donations and your du'as, we have now reached a stage where the outside base coat rendering has gone up, and on top of this, the outer coat will go inside. That's happened throughout the whole entire masjid. This has only happened through your kind donations and your du'as and the will of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As you can see, we have laid down the foundation for the extension of the masjid to be squared off. We're currently at damp course level, and InshaAllah, where you see here towards the right hand side, we have the stairs which will become the stairs down to the basement, which is the Wudhū area, and upstairs towards the left hand side, we'll have stairs which will lead up to the main maktab for the evening and weekend classes for our youth, InshaAllah. The masjid, as you can see here, there will be the back wall to the masjid, the side wall to the masjid will start off here, and inside will be the main men's prayer area, and behind us, where we're currently reading the brothers, that's where the main sisters' prayer hall will be, InshaAllah. As you can see, brothers and sisters, there's a lot of work yet to be completed. We couldn't have got to where we are today without your du'as and without your donations. We now need everyone to respond, brothers and sisters. The masjid is in requirement of your donations and your du'as. This is our masjid, brothers and sisters. This is our children's masjid and our grandchildren's masjid. Alhamdulillah, we've made some great progress in the Wudhū area inside the basement. Come and take a look with us. We've ripped out all previous materials that was inside the basement. We're currently in a position where we've ripped out the previous flooring. We're now going to tank the basement, where we will waterproof the walls and insulate the floor, inshallah. Brothers and sisters, we've now reached the best 10 days during the year, which is the first 10 days of Dhul Hijjah. The masjid has a first 10 days campaign. We are aiming to raise £100,000 in the first and the best 10 days during the year, brothers and sisters. And it's going to only happen through your generous donations and your generous du'as. We need 500 families to donate £200 towards the masjid renovations. Brothers, sisters, please respond. Your masjid needs you. Jazakallah, brothers and sisters, for your continuous support to Masjid Sulaymān Bin Dawūd. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
عبيدك من شتات في شتات أتاك وأنت تخبر بالنوايا جاهل ظالم